Farewell, Determine!
Is that the way to treat your friend, Determine?
Determine's not my friend. He's a demon. I'm the hero.
I'm nearly perfecting you, Elijah, as you to be EXE's internal emperor.
Silence! Sonic and I will take you down too. Now 2 EXEs will die.
Why turn on your brother EXE, Elijah?
Hedgehog Space is my real brother, not EXE. He's an imposter.
He was being really kind to you, Elijah, but you had to beat him up for no apparent reason.
Shut up, EXE!
You will stand before Elijah's power.
I swear to God, Sonic, I'll kill you.
No, EXE, I'm not done with you yet.
Now answer us. Where do we find Elijah? Where did he kill everyone?
God! He must be on the other side of the hill.
That's all I wanted to know.
Our friends may yet live, Elijah.
Well, let's get out and let's go. Elijah said he's supposed to be on the other side. Come on.
Welcome home, Elijah.
This hell is not my home.
Then what made foolish enough to return?
I've got a team to protect.
Yeah, Elijah will unite me with my team. He can do the same for you.
I am so over this garbage.
Elijah must be this far. We gotta get there as soon as possible.
Then let's get this over with.
Oh yeah, Elijah will be your internal emperor when I see him. I'm sure of it.
Having second thoughts, Elijah?
Well, there is one. He murdered Determine, Exceller, Elijah, and Tail Exceller, along with Sonic the Hedgehog. He's starting to become a huge disappointment right now.
Doesn't matter. You take Exceller, Elijah, Determine, and tell Exceller to me, and then I will restore them. You wait for Elijah and kill Sonic, but let Elijah live. His internal empire awaits.
I don't recall accepting an offer, but okay.
There he is. I think it's time for us
I
to
see Elijah right now.
Guess what? Your team has fallen.
Concede, Elijah. While you have time, I shall let you live, but not Sonic. But for you to serve EXE as her internal emperor of time. What else is new? We gathered a throne for you. An internal empire awaits you.
You were warned. Your boss Scooby has turned you from bad to good.
I had no wish to harm you, but now you have forced my hand.
I have found my family, my girlfriend, and my friends.